People regulate their behavior through consistency and predictability. It's what humans depend on. Now, we all like a little like, hey, we're having a party tonight. Hey, I like that spontaneity. We all like that. That's all fun. But we like things to be consistent. We like to know what's coming next. Now, one of the things that we know about the year 2020, 2021, is there hasn't been anything consistent about anything, right? And that's the reason that we're all a little bit wonky right now. All right, because we want answers, we want dates, we want when, we want how, we want when are we getting this and when are we getting that. And nobody seems to be able to give it to us. You know, but it's not anybody's fault, it's just what it is. But it makes us behave differently. So yeah, but we have control over the way we do some of those things consistently, the way we do some of our bus patrols and our lunch patrols and our hallway patrols and our recess patrols. But we got to communicate that. Our kids are depending on it. They shouldn't have to question, what's this adult going to do today at our recess duty? That should never be a question for kids. They should know exactly what's expected by every single person. And I know we have subs, and I've been out on your playground at recess and stuff like that, and there's sometimes that I go, but I didn't know. So I wouldn't say something to a kid unless I went to an adult and said, is that okay or not okay? Because I'm not going to run the risk that that kid now hears a different message from me. And even if I don't like what the other person did who was on duty, and I think they let something slip, I got to be really careful because kids read us. We have to remember that we read each other's neurocircuits. We're more alike than different, us humans. So we really do read each other's neurocircuits. And so the minute I kind of like mistakenly make a face or roll my eyes or a sigh, that kid automatically knows that I'm not happy with that other adult. And they can see the divide. But I got to back them up. I back them up at that moment, and then maybe the two of us might have a conversation. And we need to be okay and open with that. But I'll back them up for that moment, because that kid needs to see that. Remember, you're not here to win a battle with a 5-year-old, a 10-year-old, or a 20-year-old. That's not what you're here for, all right? And nor would you want to. You know, so there are times, though, that I share where I do... have to pull out my superhero costume when I need it. But you all are superheroes when you think about it. You're all, flying in there doing the best you can with sometimes some limited tools, and we all know that. So if we divide, it makes it harder. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.